What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be reviewing some LED headlight bulbs. A company by the name of Lastfit has hit me up and asked me to do a review video on these headlights, which couldn't have come at a better time because my headlights actually went out. So we're going to be replacing them with these brand new H7 LED bulbs. Okay guys, so for my particular Z right here, this is a base model, so it does not come with the HID version. So these are just some regular halogen bulbs that I have in here. I will show you guys before and after, but right now we're going to be installing the direct replacement for the halogen bulbs, the H7 bulbs. So if you have the HID version, you're going to need a different set of bulbs. I'll have the two different versions in the description below if you guys want. I also have a discount code to buy these if you guys want. That will also be in the description, all right? So let's go ahead and unbox this. This is the first time I'm gonna be actually seeing these as well. Okay guys, so as soon as you open the box up, first of all I noticed that the packaging is really nice. This very presentable. Shout out to Lastfit for the decals. I'm about to throw one of these on the car. These are just product manual and all that, but it's fairly simple. It's plug and play. So first of all, when you look at the light, you can tell that it is a very beefy bulb. It's very nice. I really like this wrap cable right here. This cord coming out. A lot of companies, they have just like the wire that's shrink wrap, but this is nice that they took the time to actually put a braided line right in here. The fan, I gotta see if it's noisy or not, but I know that some LED lights, the fan is noisy, which is not that big of a problem because you can't hear it from the inside of the car most of the time. So anyway, this plug looks really nice too. One thing they also mentioned was that it's actually 360-degree adjustable. So if you want to adjust like the way the beam is, you can just spin this. If you can see, most of the time this retainer piece right here is mostly stationary, but this one here, you plug it in and you can spin it however you want. So it's 360-degree adjustable, which is actually really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and take out one of the bulbs so I can show you the difference between the halogen and these LED lights right here. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay guys, one thing that I should mention is that I do have headlight tint. So it will be a little bit more dim, but that shouldn't be a difference because these things are supposed to be really bright. So let me go ahead and flip the lights on real quick. As you guys can see, there's no bulb in that one, or at least it's off. And yeah, you can't really tell, but I actually have halogen bulbs in there right now. And this parking light right here is actually a Lastfit LED bulb as well. As you guys can see, it's brighter than the actual halogen bulb itself. So that should be already a telltale sign about how bright these headlights are gonna be. If you guys can see, the parking light is way brighter than the halogen bulb. Like, you can't even tell that the halogen bulb is on. Okay guys, so I actually went ahead and removed the parking lights so that way you guys can tell the difference between the halogen bulb and the LEDs. Let me go ahead and turn them on right now so you can see the halogen. So if you can see, that thing is not bright at all. So if you guys can see, that is with one halogen light bulb. It's not bright at all. So we're gonna go ahead and install the LED bulb in the driver's side right now so we can show you guys the difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the headlight just so that way I can show you exactly how to install these bulbs. Okay guys, so I actually had an LED in here. So this is a perfect example right here. Okay, so I actually forgot that I had these bulbs in there. One of them is halogen because probably the other one went out. Anyway, this one is out too, but if you can tell with the build quality, look at this thing. It's just like heat shrink and it has two male connectors on the end. It's not even the actual plug like this. you see the difference? Like that already just tells me that this is much more high quality than this crap right here. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this away and install the Lastfit H7 LED bulb. Okay guys, so this is the inside of the headlight right here. All you have to do is you take out this like retainer clip thing, you push it in, and you pop it out, it swings open just like that. You match this with the retainer right here. Just pop it straight in, just like that. Okay guys, so what I did was I removed this screw. I took the retainer clip out, put it on top of the headlight, and then screwed it back in, and then locked the retainer clip back in place. I'm gonna take this plug, I'm gonna plug it in to the headlight harness, and now we're gonna go ahead and plug this back into the car. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and turn them on right now. Whoa. Okay, so first thing off the bat, I realized that it is brighter, but it is also more quiet. Okay guys, so Christine's gonna go ahead and turn off the light right now so you can see the difference. If you guys can tell, if you guys can see, the LED bulb is way brighter than the halogen bulb. Okay guys, so I'm actually pretty impressed with how bright they are, considering how dark these headlight tints are. Like, it's dark. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but that's dark. But with the halogen bulb on, it's actually, you couldn't even tell that the headlights are on. So we're gonna go ahead and put in the second headlight bulb into the passenger side, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. Okay guys, let's go ahead and turn these on. Yes! Yo, that looks freaking sick. That's so bright. Let me just throw this down real quick. Yo, that looks sick. Yes, the car is debeated. I have to figure that out. But anyway, we're not focusing on that, we're focusing on the headlights. Look at this, guys. Okay, go babe, turn off the light. Okay guys, so look at how much brighter it is. Let's do it before and after. So this is before, and this is after. Yo guys, this is super sick. Damn, that's a nice sky. Look at that sky. That's art, look at that sky. Big shout out to Lastfit for setting out these bulbs. They're actually super bright. I actually have them as reverse lights as well as my license plate lights. Let's go check these out. Oh, frick. Look how bright that is. And then if you come in the back, I also have them as my reverse lights as well. Super bright. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Again, these are the H7 bulbs for the 350Z. For those of you guys who have the D2S, which is gonna be the HID version bulbs, go ahead and head to the description. They actually stock those in the LED versions as well. So if you guys wanna upgrade your guys' headlights, go ahead and hit the description below. We have the links to their website, as well as a 10% discount off your order. My discount code is gonna be right here. It's 10 Blaine Legere, as well as gonna be in the description. So if you guys wanna cop some LEDs for your guys' car, Lastfit is the way to go, all right? Thank you guys so much for watching. I wanna give a big shout out to Lastfit for sending out these bulbs for the Z and supporting the build. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys could. Subscribe if you guys are new, and we'll catch you guys in the next one, all right? Peace out, stay good.